my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we have a look of Vechain coin. What's the price change goes in the Vechain, what's the high price, what is the current price, and what is the currently change occur in the Vechain coin. In this video I will show you. So before starting this interesting video, friends, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about Vechain coin. Now let's get start the video. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. So friends, you can see now on the screen that is the last 1 hour price predictions. You are watching a live, friends. Absolutely, I like the change occur in the Vechain and the last 1 hour positive 3.33% change occur in the Vechain coin, and the high price of Vechain coin is $0.180752 USD dollar is the high price of Vechain coin in the last 1 hour, friends. Now friends, if you look at price prediction chart of the Vechain coin, so as you can see, absolutely a good jumps occur in the Vechain coin. They falls down for a little time, and after a little falls they again take a jump, friends. So the average level is in the positive, that is why. Now let's see the last 1 day price predictions. What's the change goes in the last 1 day, my friends? As you can see here, the last 1 day price prediction. Oh my god, what the unbelievable change occur in the Vechain coin. Oh my god, positive 11.6% change occur in the Vechain coin, and same like that the high price of the Vechain coin is $0.180752 USD dollar is the high price of the Vechain coin. Absolutely, the price goes up. Absolutely, I like this kind of change. I like this kind of crypto coin. As you can see here, a very high explosion occur in the Vechain coin, continues the procedure of the Vechain coin that they move upward. Thank you so much for watching this video, friends. So according to the price predictions, my decision, my suggestion for all of Vechain holders as that in the future there is a good chances, there is a big chances to they move very high up. There is a big chances to they take a high pump. So please hold your Vechain coin with the last of this month, because we can't say about the future of Vechain coin, but according to the price predictions, my suggestion for all of you that please hold it. The big explosion of the Vechain coin are coming soon, so wait for it. What's your opinion about this? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe is a very important thing for all of you. Thank you so much for watching this video.